if I am taking one, if I am taking these compounds, suppose CH3 COOH, this is one thing. Now if you are talking about this, so it is going to ionize. Okay, this CH3 COOH is going to ionize, and after ionize, what it will give? It will, because since it is acid, CH3 COOH is acid, so it is going to give, that is CH3 COO minus plus H plus, right? This is the unionized, okay, and these are the ionized. So if these type of things are involving in reversible reaction, so they are terms as ionic equilibrium. So that is what the definition, if you are trying to understand, they are saying equilibrium involving ions, that is ionized form. This is the ionized form. Yes, ions are there, and unionized form is known as ionic equilibrium. This is unionized form. Okay. If it is acid, so how we will write? That is Ka. Earlier equilibrium, chemical equilibrium, we were using Kc or Kp. Generally Kc for the concentration, Kp for the partial pressure. So here we are at Ka because it is acid. So it will be, what will be there, Janab? That is CH3 COO minus in one bracket, another bracket, that is H plus, divided by what will be there, Janab? That is CH3 COOH. So this is what is known as ionic equilibrium. Can you understand this one?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Ka is what? Equilibrium constant for acid. Equilibrium constant for acid. So please write now equilibrium constant for. Can you please write this one?
Yes, sir.
Did you finish the writing?
No, sir. Just
Okay. If you finish writing, please tell me.
yes, sir.
Done?
No, sir. Just a minute, sir. Please.
Oh, okay, okay, no problem.
Sir, what is the difference between ionic and equilibrium? Just once. Can you repeat?
See, I'm reading this one where I don't know. Equilibrium involving ions, that is ionized form and unionized form, is known as ionic equilibrium. This is acetic acid CH3COOH, acetate ion H plus ion, unionized form. This is ionized form. K is equal to acetate ion plus H plus ion upon acetic acid. K is equilibrium constant for acid. K, A for acid. A for
Yes.
acid. Can I erase now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are talking about that is ions. If you are ions, if you are talking about Janab ions, so they are produced by, firstly you try to understand, okay, because these are also there, ion acid base salt concept is there. So these are produced by what, Janab? These are produced by,
These are produced
ions are produced by electrolyte. Ions are
by.
produced by electrolytes.
Sorry, electrolyte is in liquid form, right?
Yeah, electrolyte generally liquid form. Electrolyte
Yes.
generally liquid form. Like that is what is in the battery. What is there? Battery. That is the in car battery. You will find that is the liquid form is there. Na? That is what acid electrolyte. Okay. So
Yes,
here is that is we are talking about acid. Okay, comma
yes,
base and salt. Only these three things are there. Acid, base, and salts are only electrolyte. There is no other third example of electrolyte. They are only electrolyte. Acid, base, and salt. So
yes, sir.
these are produced by electrolyte, that is acid, base, and salt, which contain which contains which contains ions of unionized form, which contain ions of unionized form. Now we are talking about example. Suppose I am taking acid. Okay, I am taking acid. So if I am having that is HCl, so what it is going to give? Here it is going to give H plus plus Cl minus. So since it is giving ions, we can write here is since HCl gives ion, since HCl gives ion,
Yes,
so
sir.
it is electrolyte. So it is electrolyte. Okay. So why the HCl is electrolyte? Because it gives ion. Suppose I am taking NaOH. So what it is going to give? It is going to give Na plus plus OH minus. So this is also electrolyte. If I am taking that is NaCl, it is also going to give what? Na plus plus Cl minus. So these all are electrolyte. These both are the electrolyte because ions are formed. They are the electrolytes.
Yes, sir.
Uh, So if you are talking about this one, so this is what acid. That is first one is acid. Second one is base, and third one is salt. Acid, base, and salt.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So if you are writing these things, it will
Yes, sir.
be
Yes,
helpful to
yes,
you.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
These are means ions are produced by electrolyte, that is acid, base, and salt, which contain ions of unionized form.
Yes, sir.
Done? Done?
No, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Write down, right.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Yeah. Ab, Janab, this is the what we got, that is acid, base, and salt. We got to know that is acid, base, and salts are electrolyte, right? They are the electrolytes. Why they are electrolytes? Because they gives iron. HCl gives iron, so it is electrolyte. So electrolytes are substance which gives iron. Now we are going to understand in the same chapter. If you are having the book, you can see the next topic is acid base concept. Acid base concept. Acid base concept. This is the next topic, that is acid base concept. So Janab, when you
Yes,
talk about acid base concept, generally sometimes they ask the problem based on it. So there are three concept of acid base are there. Three concept of very small are there. First one is Arrhenius.
yes, sir.
First one is Arrhenius concept of acid and base. This is Arrhenius
Uh,
concept of acids and
acid
base.
and base.
Right. If you are
Okay.
going for a
Yes,
second one, Janab, after Arrhenius, that is we are having Bronsted. This is going to be Bronsted concept of
yes,
acid and base. Bronsted concept of acids and base. Acids and bases. Last one is what is Lewis, Lewis. Lewis concepts of acid and base. Lewis concepts of what, Janab, that is acids and base. So there are three concepts which we need to study. That is first one which we have to study, that is Arrhenius concept of acid and base. Second one is Bronsted concept of acid and base. And last one is Lewis concept of acid and base. Here what is the basic difference, Janab? Here in the first one, Arrhenius case, water required. Here water required. Here is water required. Water required. Okay. Water required. Here they are saying no water required. No water required. Okay. Here there will not be any water required. And here is also they are saying, okay, may or may not be. May or may not be. May not be H2O required. May or may not be H2O required. Up here is this is the three case are there. Okay. So we need to study one by one. So what we can do here, first one we are trying to study Arrhenius concepts of acids and base. This is the very useful when you are studying any of the things. Okay. When you are
yes, sir.
here in the 12th standard, when you go in the 12th standard, so there also this is going to comes, where it will come in the electrochemistry, it is going to come one chapter is there, chemistry.
Yes, sir.
Another chapter one more is there, that is solution, there it is also going to come. Okay. And so many places it's come. Okay. So Arrhenius concept, Bronsted concept. Okay, in organic chemistry also it will come. Okay, I told you Lewis acid. Okay, in presence of Lewis acid. So that was coming there now. So these things comes
Yes,
when
sir.
you study the organic also. So I am erasing it and I am going for the Arrhenius concept. So A
Yes,
double
sir.
R H E N I O U S. Arrhenius concept of acid and base. Arrhenius concepts of what, Janab? That is acids and base. acids and bases. Arrhenius concepts of acids and bases. So what will be our answer, Janab? Here you try to understand here. We are going to define the Arrhenius concept of acid and base. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
let us try to understand first one. They are saying Arrhenius acid. We are going to write that is first one is Arrhenius acid. Okay, Arrhenius acid. So Arrhenius acid, that is the substance. They are saying the substance which gives H plus ion, which gives H plus ions in water. H plus ions in water is known as acid. Is known as acid. So any substance which gives H plus ion in water is known as acid. The condition
Yes.
is what here, Janam? That is water is required. The substance which gives H plus ion in water is known as acid, right? Here you
As-
see example. Suppose I am having HNO3 and
Yes,
I am dissolving.
substance OH its base, right?
Yes. Correct. Very good, very good. So it will give Janab that is H plus NO3 minus ion. Since it is giving H plus ion, so this is going to be acid. Okay, this is acid. If I am talking about H2SO4, so H2SO4 is also going to give here in the water, it is going to give H plus, okay, and plus it is going to give HSO4 minus. So it is also going to be acid only. So we are studying the acid. So here you see, if I am taking this one HCl, so if you are ionizing in the water, it is going to give what? H plus Cl minus. So this is again going to give H plus. It is also going to give H plus. So this is also sulfuric acid. This is hydrochloric acid. If suppose I am taking this one, CH3 COOH in the water, if you are dissolving, student, so it is also going to give H plus CH3 COO minus. So what you are observing here, Janab, that in all the cases, these substances are giving H plus ion. Since they are giving H plus ion in water, so they are what? They all are the example of what? Acid. Why they are example of acid? Because they are giving the H plus ion. So they are the acid. Can you
Okay,
understand?
sir.
Yeah. I am writing here no. Since they are H plus ion, since H plus ion in water is unstable, since H plus ion in water is unstable, so it form H3O plus ion, so it form H3O plus ion on combination with H2O, on combination with H2O, combination with H2O. So here you see what the point they are saying. They are saying since H plus ion is in water is unstable, so it form H3O plus ion on combination with H2O. Okay. For example, if you see HCl is there, right? So let me write in different form. Otherwise, you may get confused. Here is what is there. H plus is there, and it is there H2O. So it is going to form what? One more bond is forming H3O plus, right? Up now, this is the H plus exists in the form of H3O plus. Up now, example you see. Example. So suppose I am having HCl. So in spite of forming H plus, I am writing that is what? H3O plus what it is going to give, Janab, that is Cl minus. When you are dissolving in water H2O, so it will give H3O plus Cl minus. So you can ask me here That is from where this H3O plus came, sir. So I will tell here is water is there and H plus is there. This H plus and this is H2O. They are combining to give H3O plus and Cl minus. So they are H plus or H3O plus are same. So if you are writing that is H plus or H3O plus are same. Are same. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, can you just repeat once?
Which one, Janab? Note.
Yes, sir. Note.
Since they are saying H plus ion in water is unstable. Okay, H plus ion in water is unstable. So it form H3O plus ion on combination with water. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
it form H3O plus ion on combination with water. So that is H plus ion combined with water, H2O. So it is going to form that is H3O plus. So here HCl is there, H2O is there. So it is forming H3O plus and Cl minus. This equation, either if you are writing this equation, that is also same. HCl is there. If you are dissolving in water, so it is giving H plus plus here is Cl minus. But what is happening? H plus is not existing in stable state. So H2O and H plus combined to give H3O plus. So these are the both are the same. So can you please write down this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down.
कहीं को सो जाओ, कहीं को फिर रहे।
Done, Jana?
No, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Now arrhenius acid is okay. So arrhenius acid you got to know that the areneous acid, the substances which gives H plus ion in water is known as acid. So example you got to know nitric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, acetic acid. They are all are the areneous acid. Now we are going to understand Arrhenius base. Arrhenius base.
Base.
So already you answered me. Previously you said that define the same definition we are going to write. What are the Arrhenius base? Here I am writing. The substances, the substances, the substances which gives what Jana, which gives, which
Yes.
OH minus ion in water. OH minus ion in water
Water.
is known as what they are saying is known as Arrhenius base.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means what, Janab? If any substance which is going to give that is OH minus ion, the substance
Yes.
gives OH minus ion in water. The important thing is that is water is required. Is known as Arrhenius base. Let us see the example. Suppose I am talking about NaOH. You dissolve in water, Janab, H2O. So it
Yes, sir.
Na plus OH minus, right? If you are talking about
Yes,
the
sir.
hydroxide, so this is what is going to give in the water. They are going to give that is Ba2 plus 2OH minus. If you are talking about that is calcium hydroxide, so what they are going to give, Janab, if you are dissolving in water, so it is going to give that is Ca2 plus 2OH minus. Okay. If you are talking about that is AlOH thrice, aluminum trihydroxide, it dissolve in water, what you are going to get, Janab, that is Al3 plus they are going to give that is 3OH minus. Any other things also you have, any other things. Suppose you are talking about some KOH. So KOH also you dissolve in water, Janab. So it is going to give that is K plus OH minus ion. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you are writing this one NH4OH, NH4OH. So what will happen, Janab? If you dissolve in water, so what is this going to give? It is going to give that is NH4 plus OH.
NH4 plus OH minus.
So see, what is the meaning of this, Janab? Since these substances, we can write since NaOH, comma, AOH twice, comma,
Yes.
CaOH twice, comma, AlOH thrice, AlOH thrice, comma, KOH and NH4OH, NH4OH gives H plus ion, gives H plus ion in water. So, so they are, what, Janab? They are Arrhenius. So they are Arrhenius what? They are going to be Arrhenius base. Can you
Yes, sir.
understand this? Can you understand this, please?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Feeling too much tired? You are feeling too much tired in online classes, na?
Yes, sir. I get exhausted by the end of the day.
Mm-hmm. I can understand, but what to do? If we want to make our future bright, we need to study hard, na? If there is no other option offline, so we need to go. Everybody is nowadays going online only because again lockdown, na? So where they will go? They have to come to online only. Are you understanding, Janab? Little, are you understanding that?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
Good. Done.
I will suggest this.
Okay, write down, write down. Done.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Now we are talking about the neutralization reaction. Okay. Neutralization reaction of Arrhenius acids and base. Arrhenius acids and base. So what they saying, Janab, in neutralization reaction, when the concept is what, when acids reacts with when acids reacts with when acid react with base, then it is called neutralization reaction. It is called neutralization
Reaction.
neutralization reaction. And what is the other point, important point is what, Janab? Okay, when
Yes.
Arrhenius acid, when Arrhenius acid and Arrhenius acid and Arrhenius base, Arrhenius acid and Arrhenius base, when Arrhenius acid and Arrhenius base react together, then
Yes, sir.
then they form what they are going to form. Then they form salt and water. Salt and water. Then they
Water.
form salt and water. So this is our concept. Like suppose I am having HCl. This is the Arrhenius base because it gives H plus ion in water. So this is Arrhenius acid. If I am taking that is NaOH. So this is going to, because it gives the OH minus ion. So this is also going to be Arrhenius base. Now they are going to react with each other. So how they are going to react? If you are saying this is NaCl is going to be out. So it is forming what, Janab? That is NaCl. This is the salt. Okay. Plus they are going to give water. So this is the, when the Arrhenius acid react, it gives salt plus water. This is the concept is known as neutralization reaction. So that is going to be water. Are you writing, Janab?
Yes, sir. Yes.
From West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee has named her own brother for violating COVID norms. In fact, her brother's wife is positive, and yet he stepped out of this home. And Mamata Banerjee said that she's offended and has asked him not to step so by urging that if one member of the family is infected, another not sign themselves infected.
Today, Janab, 1 lakh case, around 1 lakh case of COVID-19 came. 1 lakh case in India, 1 lakh 96,000, around 1 lakh. So it's very high. Outside, it's very dangerous.
Yes, sir. So, sir, it means like, will there be any lockdown?
What?
Will there be any lockdown?
It is spreading like anything. It is continuously spreading. In India, 96,000 it today only. So total case become around 4 lakhs. So daily now it is going to increase like 1 lakh, 2 lakh cases daily. It will increase so rapid.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Did you write the Janab this one?
Just last, sir.
No. Write down.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done. Now.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So this is the Arrhenius acid base concept over. Now we need to study Bronsted acid base concept. Bronsted acid base concept. Bronsted acid base concept. So here is what is they are saying. Bronsted, no H2O required. No H2O required for ionization. Okay, this is what the case. What is the definition here, Janab? The substances, okay, substances which gives H plus ion is acid. H plus ion is acid. That is what the acid definition. Base definition, what is their base definition? The substances which takes H plus ion, is the substances which takes H plus ion is base. The substances which gives H plus ion is acid. Now you see, let us go with the example. Suppose I am talking about, suppose the simple example is HCl. I am taking same example I am giving. It is giving H plus plus Cl minus. Although it is Arrhenius acid also, it is giving H plus ion in water. But if there is no water, it is also going to give H plus. So since it is giving H plus ion in without water, it is also a Bronsted acid. Now you see NH4, NH3, NH3. If you are giving H plus, Janab, it is giving, if you are giving H plus to it, so it will convert NH4 plus, NH4 plus. So now ammonia, if I am writing, that is NH3. NH3 is Bronsted base. NH3 is Bronsted base as it takes H plus ion, as it takes H plus ion. So that is, if it is taking H plus ion, Bronsted acid. If I am talking about HCl, it is Bronsted acid. It is Bronsted acid. It is Bronsted acid. Okay, why it is Bronsted acid? As it, it is Bronsted acid as it gives H plus ion without water. Okay, without water. So that is what the concept of the Bronsted acid base. Okay, here again I am reading. The acid means what? The substance which gives H plus ion is acid. The substance which takes H plus ion is base. Okay, so if it is defined, there is no OH required here. In Bronsted concept, OH is not required. Only H plus is helping for the acid as well as for the base. If giving H plus ion without water, Bronsted acid. Taking H plus ion, Bronsted base. So please write down this page also, Janab.
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm writing.
Done, Janab?
1 minute, sir. Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Now the next one, what we are writing, that is Bronsted acid base reaction. You know, Bronsted neutralization reaction.
Yes, sir.
That is what another point we can write also, or Bronsted. Okay. What we can write, Bronsted neutralization reaction, or another point is there, Bronsted acid base reaction. Bronsted acid base reaction.
Reaction.
Okay. So here what the concept is here, if you are writing, when Bronsted acid, when Bronsted acid reacts with, when Bronsted acid reacts with Bronsted base, react with Bronsted base, when Bronsted acid react with Bronsted base, it form only salt. It form only salt. No water release. No water released. In the Arrhenius case, water was being formed, but here no water is forming. Suppose NH3 is there and HCl is there. This is Bronsted base. NH3 is Bronsted base. This is what Bronsted acid. You know, Bronsted acid. So if you
Acid.
putting this together, Janab, it will give, that is NH4Cl. This is what
Yes,
is
sir.
known as Bronsted salt. And here
Okay, sir.
no water is formed. So Bronsted acid, Bronsted base react, no water form. But Arrhenius acid and Arrhenius base react, they will form the
Uh,
salt and
oh.
water. So tomorrow we'll practice problem again. Tomorrow
Yes.
I will teach you
Yes.
Arrhenius, and then there will be the problem will come.
Means
What
like
the
acid reacts with base to form salt. No,
ah
no water. But
ah
in normal acid base, it will release water. But in RNA state, it won't, right?
Bronsted case, in Bronsted case.
Okay, sorry. Bronze state case, it won't release water. But
Yes,
in
yes.
RNA case, it will release water, right?
Yes, yes. Arrhenius case, here you see what happened here, see.
Yes, sir.
When acid react with base, it is called neutralization. Here when Arrhenius acid react with Arrhenius base together, they form salt plus water. But here what they are saying, no water. Where will form? There is no oxygen is there. So how we can form the water without oxygen? So this.
Yes, correct, sir.
Hmm.
Hey, child, just note this down, please.
What, Janab?
I'll note this down. 2 minutes.
Okay, okay. Note down.
Yes.
Done. Done, Janab? Done? Hello? Completed? Janab completed, yeah, no, yes, yeah, no.